Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can hide layers and elements in your designs on Figma. So let us get started. Alright guys, so head over to your design on Figma. I'm working on that website design for demonstration purposes here. So there are basically two different ways how you can hide layers and objects. The first option would be to simply right click into the given object like that text box here, or that image or a group of images. So let me go with that image or thumbnail here for demonstration purposes, right click into it, and after that simply select show/hide here, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+H or Command+Shift+H if you're using a Mac. So let me do that really quickly. And there you go, that is going to hide the given layer. That's the first option, guys. The second option would be to access the list of layers and each sub-layer here on the left panel. Simply expand the given layer by clicking on that arrow down icon here to the left. And after that, go through your sub-layers of the given page or layer and simply click on that symbol to the right here on that eye icon to hide or to show the given layer, toggle layer visibility. So if I click on that icon here, the given layer or sub-layer will be hidden. And if I click again on that eye icon here, as you can see it is closed now, it will be shown again, and you can do that with any other sub-layer. So as you can see, that image is or has been unhidden and is being shown again. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.